It was a last minute thing. Thanks to Rachel.
Oh.
Anyways. But on the like, you'll see. I kind of like changed it a bit. Thanks. Long, long journey of endless blue over the ocean and onto the land. Thank God that the journey is through. Not one more minute could I stand. In the town of dark streets have I arrived. As the gray sky greets only the ones who have survived. Well, this is Bucharest, new beginning, new culture. It might not be one of the best, but hey, it's different for sure. Dogs on the streets, beggars whining, cars that might break down any minute. Children running and people staring at my purse, wondering what could be in it. I hurried up to catch the bus, oh boy, it has an antenna. So many people, what a fuss, this is nothing like Vienna. Well, I guess this is it, my new home now. I have to get used to it, whoever knows how.